guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all my winter skincare essentials. These are some very minimal basic products that I use for my winter skincare routine. I've already made a video on all of my body care winter essentials, so you guys can go ahead and check that out. So now without further ado, let's get started. So let's start with cleansers. I have two recommendations in cleansers. One is a very affordable option and the other one is mid-range. First I have is the Aqualogica's 5 Barrier Plus Repair Gentle Cleanser. You can clearly see I've finished this up. You'll soon see this in my December empties. This is an avocado infused ceramide based cleanser. Really like this. It's a very good product. I really enjoyed using this range from Aqualogica. Aqualogica is a very affordable yet an effective skincare brand, especially for people who are looking for like affordable options. So yeah, this is one of the recommendations. It's so hydrating, very basic, gentle, gel based cleanser, and it doesn't dry out your skin, so that's important. So this is my first recommendation. The second one I have is the COSRX Low pH Good Morning Gel Cleanser. This one retails for around 800 rupees, but on Amazon you can find it for like 600, 700 rupees, and it's 150 ml of quantity, which is going to last you for a really long time. This is again a gel based cleanser, very gentle. Because it's a low pH cleanser, it's not going to strip off the natural oils of your skin, and it's going to give you nice hydrated plumpy skin but yet cleansed. So this is going to be my second recommendation in cleanser. Lately I've been using this for my nighttime and this in the morning, so you can pick up, but I would suggest that if you are someone who likes to use just a simple basic cleanser, then go for this one, like for everyday use. Otherwise you can pick this for your nighttime cleanser. After cleanser we have toner, and I only have one recommendation, which is this Tony Moly Ceramide Mochi Toner. This is such a good product. You can clearly see how much I've emptied out. I got it in the month of June, July if I'm not wrong, during the summer sale, and it's going strong. This is great for dry skin, normal to dry skin people. I know for oily skin people it might be a little too much, but if you can make it work, it's a beautiful product. Great for winters. It's not like overly hydrating. So if you have tried the Laneige Water Essence, that one is a little too creamier, but this one is perfect in consistency and the way it makes your skin hydrate. It also helps with ensuring that your pores appearances are very less. I don't know why, that's something that I've noticed. Maybe that's the reason it's called like bouncy mochi like texture. So yeah, really like this product. You can use it for nighttime, daytime, both the time, but I'm currently using it for only nighttime and I've still finished up so much, and it's a 500 ml bottle. So yeah, moving on to serums, I have two recommendations in serums. First is the L'Oreal Hyaluronic Acid Serum, perfect for the winters. Go for the under eye serum as well as the regular hyaluronic acid serum from L'Oreal. It is one of their best sellers and really good product. I've been using this for my nighttime skincare routine and sometimes in the morning, and it's very effective in the winters. The second one is one of my recent purchases, and I've started to use it for my nighttime skincare routine and it works so well. This one is the COSRX 6 Peptide Skin Boost Serum. This one has hyaluronic acid, NAG amino acid, which hydrates your skin and also even tones your skin, so that's a really good product. This is how big it is, and it's a watery texture. Like, it's so lightweight. It's one of the most water-based ceramides that I've come across, and it's huge. Like, it's going to last me for at least 2-3 months, and the packaging is also quite different, so I would recommend you guys to try the serum out. Now we have moisturizers, and in moisturizers I have two recommendations. Starting off with the affordable one, this is the Dot & Key Ceramide and Hyaluronic Acid Barrier Repair Moisturizer. Again, a beautiful product. I already have a backup of this. I have emptied this one out. Like, there's literally nothing left in this. Such a good multi-use product. I sometimes use it on my feet as well when they are extremely cracked and I want to repair them. So this is a multi-use product, but for face, especially during winters, it's a steal deal for the price and the kind of product that you get. And again, it usually is one of their best sellers. They come out with multiple different variants in this, and also it has a low pH again, so perfect for winters. Moisturizer, the second recommendation that I have is one of my favorite, Clinique Moisture Surge. This is like the cult favorite moisturizer. You can see I'm on my second tub and it's halfway gone. Although this is on the expensive side, like this, the 10% of this moisturizer cost is equal to this Dot & Key cost. Like, this is for 3,000, this is for 300. but it's worth your money. This is one of the most basic, simplest moisturizers that you can find in the market. Like, there is nothing new about this moisturizer, but because it's formulated so well, it's going to suit all skin types, all weathers, and it's going to make your skin look so good. Whenever my skin starts breaking out, I ensure that I have this bottle with me, and it just makes my skin magically amazing. And this is another moisturizer that works in all kinds of weathers, no matter where you go. So this is my winter favorite. Next step is sunscreen, and I have two sunscreen recommendations. One is from the affordable side. This is the Aqualogica 5 Barrier Repair Sunscreen, the same one as the face wash. It's such a good product. I've already talked about it in trying out new products, so you can check that out, but it's a really nice one and quite affordable, and I use it mostly on my body. Another sunscreen recommendation that I have is the COSRX Ultra Lightweight Invisible Sunscreen. This is slightly costlier. This is for 1300 rupees, and it's quite small in quantity as well, but it's such a nice product. It's infused with aloe vera. It gives you no white cast, leaves your skin hydrated, and of course sun protected. COSRX has been doing quite great with a lot of their recent launches, so I'm pretty impressed with this sunscreen, and it's perfect for the winter season. After end the winter essential with a lip balm, and I am going back again to my Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. I was using the Face Shop Orange Lip Sleeping Mask, the Vitamin C one. Again, that is a good product, but I'm gonna be honest, no matter how many different lip balms I try, my lips only work well with this one. It's like best friends forever sort of a relationship with this. This is my 7th or 8th mini tub, and last time, if you watch my empties video, I have finished the full size tub, the 20-gram one, so you can imagine how much I love this product. It's so good. I always go back to the berry version. They have different variants like gummy bear, candy, vanilla, but I always go back to the original berry version. I don't know why, but this is such a no fuss product, works well for me, and I'm gonna keep purchasing this no matter what. So guys, those were all of my winter skincare essentials that I'm using currently. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. I'll be linking all of these products in the description box below, so do check them out, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.